Welcome to the Asian Math and Science League Incorporated Naga Center Mathematics Enrichment Program Virtual Recognition Rights. Today, we gather virtually, transcending geographical boundaries, to honor these exceptional individuals who have demonstrated exceptional aptitude and skill in mathematics. This recognition ceremony is a testament to the efforts put forth by our students, as well as the unwavering support of their families, mentors, and educators. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all the parents, teachers, and mentors who have nurtured and guided these young minds. To officially commence our Amsli Naga Center Math Enrichment Program's virtual recognition ceremony, I would like to invite Ms. Mary Ann YD, the coordinator of Amsli Naga Center, to join us. Please join me in warmly welcoming her as she delivers her opening remarks, imparting her wisdom and inspiring our students to pursue their dreams.
Good day, Mrs. Richilda Villame, our Amsli President, esteemed Amsli officials, mentors, parents, students, and guests. I hope this message finds you all in high spirits and filled with a sense of accomplishment. Today, I want to take a moment to congratulate each and every one of you on successfully completing your math training. This remarkable milestone signifies your dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. Remember, success is not solely determined by natural talent, but by the effort you put into honing your skills. Amsli has always been committed to nurturing the potential within each of its students. You are surrounded by a community of educators who are passionate about your success and are dedicated to providing you with the support and guidance you need. In closing, I want to reiterate my heartfelt congratulations to all the deserving awardees. Your achievements are a testament to your hard work and unwavering dedication to your studies. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. May your passion for mathematics continue to burn brightly, illuminating the path to even greater accomplishments.
Thank you, Ms. Ann. Let us now award the Certificate of Completion, Participation, and Perfect Attendance Awards. Congratulations to our completers. Grade 1 completers, Daniel Magella Ortega from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Kyrie James Barcena from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Grade 2 completers, Vernice Ashley Noel Orbon from Rinconada Allied Cultural School Foundation Incorporated. Marcus Philip Lapus from St. Joseph School. Loan Sebastian Tuy from Naga Parochial School. Grade 3 completer, Francis Morano from Naga Parochial School. Emmanuel Jer H. Alvarez from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Zach Irvan R. Argarin from Naga Parochial School. Stella Nicole de los Santos from Naga City Montessori School. Grade 4 completers, Matthew Sean O. Mendez from Rinconada Allied Cultural School Foundation Incorporated. Navin Manuel de la Cruz from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Menandro Jose C. Ginto from Naga Parochial School. Cybel Santa Ines Pereiras from Naga Parochial School. Lance Ludwig Patungan from Minds That Matter. Shanley de la Cruz Broncano from Naga Parochial School. Sofia Marga Asuk from Naga Parochial School. Simon Ted Altes from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Shayana Victoria Bicaldo from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Yuri Mail V. Baluka from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Alexandria Janil Ocliana from Minds That Matter School. Jamil Alexa Borja from Naga Parochial School. Grade 5 completers, Jeb Francis Climaco from Minds That Matter. Clyde Ishmael Suron from Naga Parochial School. Kishi Grace Esrelioso from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Liam Denise V. Baluka from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Gabriel Luis Azania from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Juliana Eliza Lorio from Minds That Matter. Grade 6 completers, Michael Angelo B. Avenado from St. Joseph School. Froilan Patrick G. Besana from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Liana Alexa O. Regidor from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. John Rainer Bibe from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Jaden Inigo Ramos from Naga Parochial School. Miguel Waymon Agnabo from Naga Parochial School. Victorino P. Valenciano from Naga Parochial School. Micaela Luisa Abriol from Naga Parochial School. Marcius Yoni Rentoria from Naga Parochial School. Francis Elijah Borja from Naga Parochial School. Once again, congratulations to our completers. Congratulations to our Certificate of Participation awardees. Jaire Camille Elopre from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Franz Nazareth Mierva from Naga Parochial School. Alexis Noel San Luis from Naga Parochial School. Niel Xander Ocliana from Minds That Matter. Catriel Princess Ricalde from Naga Parochial School. Once again, congratulations to our Certificate of Participation awardees. Congratulations to our Perfect Attendance awardees. Kyrie James Barcena from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Daniel Magella Ortega from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Emmanuel Jair H. Alvarez from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Zach Irvan R. Argarin from Naga Parochial School. Francis Morano from Naga Parochial School. Navin Manuel de la Cruz from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Matthew Sean O. Mendez from Rinconada Allied Cultural School Foundation Incorporated. Franz Ludwig Patungan from Minds That Matter. Clyde Ishmael Suron from Naga Parochial School. John Rainer Bibe from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Congratulations to our completers, Certificate of Participation awardees, and Perfect Attendance awardees. Ladies and gentlemen, as a delightful intermission in our program, we have a special performance lined up for you by one of our talented Amsli completers, Stella Nicole P. De Los Santos. Stella Nicole will be showcasing her exceptional skills in a dance performance. So without further ado, let's give a warm virtual applause and welcome Stella Nicole to our virtual stage.
꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다. 너는 말야, it's only living in the system, baby. Oh my God, yes I'm that. I was really hoping that it will come through. Oh my God, 전부뿐이야. Asking all the time about what I should do. I got the feels for you, yeah, 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 yeah. You have stolen my heart, oh yeah. Never let it go, oh, oh. No, never let it go, oh, oh, oh. Riding straight to my heart, oh yeah. I got all the feels for sure, yeah. I got all the feels for ya. Boy, no. I know I get the feels. Boy, no. I know you feel it too.
Thank you, Stella. Now we move on to the much anticipated moment of awarding of honors and certificates to our deserving students. Allow me to announce the recipients of these prestigious accolades.
With highest honors, Francis Morano from Naga Parochial School.
With high honors, Vernice Ashley Noel Orbon from Rinconada Allied Cultural School Foundation Incorporated. With high honors, Matthew Sean O. Mendez from Rinconada Allied Cultural School Foundation Incorporated. With honors, Daniel Majella Ortega from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. With honors, Kyrie James Barcena from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. With honors, Emmanuel Jair H. Alvarez from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. With honors, Navin Manuel de la Cruz from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. With honors, Jeb Francis Claimaco
From Minds That Matter.
With honors, Clyde Ishmael Suron from Naga Parochial School. With honors, Michael Angelo B. Avenado from St. Joseph School. With honors, Froilan Patrick G. Besana from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. With honors, Liana Alexa O. Regidor from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Distinction Awardee, Marcus Philip Lapus from St. Joseph School. Distinction Awardee, Zach Irvan R. Argarin from Naga Parochial School. Distinction Awardee, Menandro Jose C. Ginto from Naga Parochial School. Distinction Awardee, Saibel Santa Ines Pereiras from Naga Parochial School. Distinction Awardee, Lance Ludwig Patungan
From Minds That Matter.
Distinction Awardee, Kishi Grace S. Relioso from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Distinction Awardee, Liam Denise V. Baluca, from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Distinction Awardee, John Rayner Bibe, from Blessed Lights International Christian Academy. Once again, congratulations to the Asian Math and Science League Incorporated Naga Center Mathematics Enrichment Program awardees. We hope this ceremony serves as a source of motivation and inspiration for our students and encourages them to continue their pursuit of knowledge and excellence in the field of mathematics.